Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our stroll through Smoky Hollow, Hamilton. Today, we're going to continue our exploration. Our visit to the falls was nothing short of magical. The sheer power and beauty of the water cascading down is inspiring. Whether you're standing close to the edge or viewing it from a distance, the falls are absolutely breathtaking. The surrounding area is well maintained with lots of scenic spots to take in the view. And the sound of rushing water adds a calming atmosphere. The mist from the falls was refreshing, especially on a sunny day. It made the whole experience feel immersive. Overall, the falls are a natural wonder that should be on everyone's bucket list. It's the perfect place for nature lovers and those seeking a serene yet exhilarating experience. Thanks for joining us on this stroll through Smoky Hollow, Hamilton. We hope you enjoyed our tour. Don't forget to follow and subscribe for more exciting adventures.